Hello boys, hello girls. We are at school again. And now, let's go with me. It is a classroom. Classroom. It is a whiteboard. Whiteboard. It is a window. Window. It is a desk. Desk. It is a poster. Poster. And now, let's go and find some words. Look at the pictures. They are divided into two. Let's find the second part of this picture. What's this? White board. It's a white board. Let's connect. Connect. And let's write white board. Yes, here it is. Look, what's this? Book case. It's a book case. And let's write book case. Here it is. What's this? It's a window. Window. Let's write window. What's this? It's a desk. Desk. Let's write desk. What's this? It's a poster. Poster. Let's write poster. And what's this? It's a classroom. Classroom. Let's write classroom. Yes, here it is. Very good. Come on, let's remember some words. Let's find them. And now, let's have a look at these letters. Some words are hidden in the letters. Let's find them. Look here. What's this? It's a poster. Where is the poster? Number 4 is a poster. Look, number 4. Let's write poster. Look, what is there? A window is there. Where is a window? Here it is. Number 3 is a window. Let's write number 3. Let's write window. Window. Look, what is there? Pen. A pen is there. Where is a pen? Here it is, a pen. Number 2 is a pen. Let's write pen. Number 2. Pen. Well, let's look what is there. What is there? Paints are there. Where are the paints? Here they are. Number 5 are the paints. Let's write number 5. Paints. Well, what is there? Look, What is there? A ruler is there. Where is a ruler? Here it is. Number 6 is a ruler. Let's write number 6, ruler. Ruler. Yes, good job. Hey, it's time to read. Let's remember some letters and let's read them. Letter R. A dress. A big dress. An old dress. Red. A red dress. A doll in a red dress. A frog. A red frog. A big frog and a little frog. Letter U. A cup. A red cup. A plum. A red plum. Plums in a hand. A bus. A big bus. A big red bus. Letter E. Let's read. Rest. Test. Step. Dress. Press. Man. Bed. Red. Dead. Letter I. Let's read. Still. Big. Lift. Drill. Little. Hiss. Hill. Sit. Mist. Letter O. Let's read. Frog. Spot. Trot. Rod. Crop. Drop. Lost. Log. Doll. Letter A. Let's read. Raft. Has. Rag. Hat. Rat. Grass. Rap. Map. Ram. Letter U. Let's read. Butt. Nut. Cup. Drum. Run. Sun. Us. Bus. Up. Very nice reading. Time to draw. Take your pencil, look, read, listen, and draw. Look, read, listen, and draw. What is on the desk? Read and draw. Look, there is a desk. It is a bag on the desk. A bag. Let's draw a bag. Let's draw a bag. Yes, here it is. A bag is on the desk. Let's read. It is a ruler on the desk. A ruler. Let's draw a ruler. A ruler. Let's draw a ruler. Here it is. Let's read. It is a book on the desk. A book. Let's draw a book. Let's draw a book. So it is a book. Look, it is a bag on the desk. It is a ruler on the desk. It is a book on the desk.